How to report a problem on Amazon. Got a problem with an order? This guide shows you how you can report a problem on Amazon so you can get help from the customer service. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on Customer Service to go to the Help Center. You'll see a variety of options to get help like live chat, a phone call, or an email. You can choose a problem from the list like problem with order, refunds or returns, or payment and billing. You'll then be able to be more specific about the problem that you're having. You can also use the Help Center to troubleshoot the problem on your own. If you can't find a solution, you can tap on Contact Us or Start Chatting button to get help from the customer service representative. You'll be able to chat with an agent in real time or request a phone call. It is a great way to get help with any problems. You now know how to report a problem on Amazon. Get ready to get help from the customer service. Like and subscribe for more app tips.